Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD to design a website. First, open Adobe XD and select a web artboard preset, such as Web 1920. This sets up your canvas for desktop design. Next, familiarize yourself with the Tools panel on the left, including the Selection, Rectangle, and Text tools. Begin by importing any necessary images or icons, then organize them into reusable components for efficiency. Now, let's craft your website's layout. Activate the layout grid to align elements precisely, ensuring a clean and organized design. Use the responsive resize feature to adapt your design for different screen sizes, making it flexible. Develop key interactive components, such as a navigation menu or call-to-action buttons, by grouping elements and defining their states. This ensures consistency across your design. Moving into prototyping, switch to the Prototype tab. Connect your artboards using wires to simulate the user's journey through your website. Add engaging transitions between screens and subtle micro-interactions to elements, like hover effects, to enhance the user experience. Finally, test your prototype directly within XD or on a mobile device to ensure all interactions function as intended and provide a smooth flow. For the final steps, it's time to share your work. Use the Share tab to generate a link for review, allowing stakeholders to provide feedback directly on your design. For developers, create a development link that includes all design specifications, such as colors, fonts, and measurements. Lastly, export all necessary assets, like images and icons, in appropriate formats for seamless implementation into the live website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.